Good afternoon. This is your art teacher, children. Today I'll begin handwriting class from your English reader. A small paragraph I shall give you. Due to pandemic situation, I am unable to conduct art classes. When school will begin, then we will have a regular classes. So let us start today that handwriting class. You will have to use your HW 4-ruled book, not CW. In HW you have to write. See how do I write, where I start and where I ends. So that is very important. And here each line, you will also find small letters, capital letters. In small letters we also find some long letters. Long letters may touch that red line of the bottom and top. That what letters will touch, what will not touch, that is very important. Okay, I'll begin. Monday, MONDY, Monday. Monday mornings. So give finger gap after one word. These all are small letters. These letters of morning are written between the two lines except G, mornings. Found. F started from top red line and touched the bottom red line. This is covered the 4 lines. FOUND, found. Tom Sawyer, T capital letter, TOM, Tom, and Sawyer. These two are name of the particular person. That is why in the middle of the sentence Tom and say Sawyer, these two letters of these two words, this and that, both started with a capital letters, because this is a special noun. Special nouns will begin with a capital letters in the beginning of the sentence or middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Miserable, 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 and hyphen is there next. Because, BECAUSE, because. With it began another. With it began, 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 another weeks. So after completion of the small para, you too have to write as my letters. Another weeks. Another weeks. Apostrophe there. Slow. SLO. W, slow. Suffering in school. SU. FF, again FUC. ER, ING, suffering in school. Full stop. One sentence is completed. When second sentence starts, we should also write with a capital letter. T O M Tom, lay, L-A-Y, lay, I-N, in, lay in, bed and thought, bed. So for every word after I gave a finger gap. Bed and thought, T-H O-U-G-H-T, thought. I wrote all letters like a slanting. I mean bent. They are bent. Definitely English we should write in this way. Thought, comma, if I was sick, this is F inverted commas, if, so you must write capital letter. If, again capital letter I, wherever you write single I, pronoun, we must write capital letter. If I were, W-E-R-E-W, not were. If I were sick, if I was sick, I could stay away. I could, C-O-U-L-D, could stay away, S-T-A-Y, stay away, A-W-A-Y, stay away from school. So, children, I cannot give you more than this words. I gave you some words. These all words you have to copy once again, twice in your HW and through WhatsApp group sent to our class 5. So just once you observe how my letters are here. Each and every word is written within the 4 lines. Some took 2, some took 3 lines. A few letters have been taken 4 lines. As per the letters and size they occupied, their gaps and also space, that is very very important. In the same way you have to write. You should not write up and down. Some should not cross the lines like the top lines and bottom lines. Exactly in the lines you should write and send to our WhatsApp group. Take care, children. So be safe at home with your parents and above all that time your parents. Bye.